Sketchy fucking turn. And fucking Will took it like nothing. I slowed the fuck down. I was like, God damn! And I said goddamn on microphone to Kevin. I was like, bro.
You saved me because I was coming in kind of
Because I came down that hill fast.
Yeah. I did not. I was like,
slow. And you know what? It doesn't look that bad up here, but
it drops like a fuck. It goes all the way up there.
That was a sketch turn, man. That was the most sketch turn I've ever took.
I'll take a cigarette. Just so.
You sure?
Hey, Lee, you good, man?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
Can you look at your
Pull
legs?
your pants down, dude.
Can we just see it? We want to see what's going on.
Dude, we all played sports. Just pull your pants down.
Want to.
Around here, I think if you do a video across the side, you can get everyone.
Are you getting my
come right here, Rob.
zipping on a picture?
Get right here. Right there. Yeah, right? You see yourself?
We've done this already, guys.
Yeah, we
it's
have.
not original.
Z
still got his helmet on.
If someone gives me their camera, this is a picture of everyone right here.
Z's gonna keep his helmet on for the rest of the two
I'm never
days.
taking it off.
Neil.
It keeps me warm.
Z's gonna sleep.
Does anybody have like a sandwich or a hot dog? I'm starving.
I got jerky.
No, I got diarrhea.
Real quick with some hot
Can you hook up that shin ramyun real quick?
You want some sliders?
Yo, you know what's up? He's got, did you see his 2 packs of shin ramen? I was like, what? My dude's got shin ramen. How do you feel, dude? How do you feel? Huh? How do you feel? Yes. The ride continues. The ride continues.